Well, hey family, happy Monday. This is Darlene stopping by real quick. Just to let you guys know, I may or may not be uploading video this week and possibly next week, only because I have a knee injury that literally has me unable to walk currently. So I can't get into my studio and actually sit down and do some work. It hurts just to try to stand up on the leg, and I'm actually using a walker right now. So I gotta rest it, keep it elevated, keep it iced, do all that good stuff, and then I'm making anti-inflammatory drinks using like turmeric and ginger and like all that good stuff, and then consuming those every day. And I'm basically doing it like a fast because I do a lot of fasts. And when I do the fast, I generally use lemon juice, water, cayenne pepper, and just a little bit of honey. And I'll drink that like all day without eating any food for about 3 days. Or if I'm doing like a lighter, not so light fast, I will eat fruit in that same drink. So what I'm doing with the inflammatory drinks, I'm kind of doing it the same way. I'm taking in a banana in the morning, eating a couple of oranges, like 1 or 2 oranges, and then I drink the green tea, and then the turmeric, ginger, and lemon with a little bit of black pepper in the anti-inflammatory drink. So I drink two of those a day, and I'm doing that so that the drink could be in my system and the food is not like blocking the inflammatory anti-inflammatory drink from doing what I believe it can do. So I am doing that. I'm icing it a lot, elevating it, got it elevated, and just trying to rest up so I could get back to normal. So you guys might see some shorts because I'm thinking what I'm going to do is download some of the videos off of my YouTube channel and then like maybe make shorts for some of those that I have not made shorts for. So I will probably do that. And because I didn't upload those videos or record them or anything on my laptop, those files are not on my laptop. That's why I got to download the file from YouTube so that I could use the video in the editing program on my software. So it's a little bit going on, but anyway, wanted to let you guys know that. And for those of you who sent up prayers for me, reached out, who text me, who sent me Facebook messages and stuff, I do appreciate you all, and I hope everybody's having a good day. And guess what? We'll talk.